Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Afidaniel bin Gemilang Cahaya. My ID number is MDB 2211007. I'm from DBS 2B. Today, I want to give explanation for question 1. So, for the question 1, we need to find the price elasticity of demand. The formula to calculate price elasticity of demand is the new quantity demand need to minus with old quantity demand and need to divide with old quantity demand. Then, all of that need to divide with new price and minus with the old price, then divide with old price. So, based on the question, we need to calculate the price elasticity of demand for meat and chicken. For meat, the new quantity demand given is 8 and old quantity demand is 20. For price, the new price given is 18 and old price is 15. After that, all the information we need to insert into the formula and the answer that we got is -3. The answer cannot be in negative, so we need to change to positive. After that, for chicken, the new quantity demand given is 28 and old quantity demand is 30. For price, the new price given is 11 and old price is 9. When we calculate the answer that we got is -0.3. So, we need to do the same thing before. We need to change the answer to positive. For the question 2, we need to determine the types of elasticity demand for each good. Since the price elasticity of demand for meat is 3, which is greater than 1, it indicates that meat has elastic demand. After that, for chicken, since the price elasticity of demand for chicken is 0.3, which is less than 1, it indicates that chicken has inelastic demand. So, that's all from me for question 1. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syahimi Shakir bin Muhammad Ridwan. My number ID is MDB 2211039. So, I'm gonna solve the question 2 on our assessment. So, for the second question on our assessment, so we need to use the formula cross elasticity of demand. The formula is new demand minus with old demand and over with old demand. Then you need to time it with old price over with new price minus with old price. Let's go to the next working. The next working should be 800 minus with 1200 over 1200, and you need to time it with 27 over 23 minus with 27. Then you just need to calculate and you will get the final answer. My final answer is 2.25. I repeat, my final answer is 2.25. Let's go to the question 2 Roman. My answer is the good X are the substitute for a good Y. It's because when the price of the goods X decrease from 27 to 23, the demand of the goods Y also decrease from 1200 to 800 unit. It's because a good Y not decrease the price when the goods X decrease the price.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Israel Ferisha bin Alfian. I am from DBS 2B. My ID number is MDB 2211061. I will presenting about income elasticity of demand. Let's go through the question 1. Inferior goods have a negative income elasticity of demand as consumer income rise. Consumer will demand for inferior goods less and demand for normal goods or luxury goods more if they had a higher level of income. Okay, next we have question number 2. First of all, we need to identify the income increase and quantity demanded change that had been given in the question. So, 210 unit is all quantity and 270 unit is the new quantity, while 2,900 ringgit is all income and 3,250 ringgit is the new income. The formula is all quantity minus new quantity divided by all quantity and multiply with all income divided by new income minus all income. Firstly, 270 unit minus with 210 unit. We will get 60 unit. Next, 3,250 ringgit minus with 2,900 ringgit, and we will get 350 ringgit. After that, multiply 60 unit with 2,900 ringgit, and we will get 174,000. As we continue, multiply 210 unit with 350 ringgit, and we will get 73,500. Lastly, we divide 174,000 with 73,500, and the final answer will be 2.367 of elastic income. Now, let's go to the last question. The type of product is luxury goods. Luxury goods is a good for which demand increase more than is proportional as income rises, such as expensive things like jewelry and premium watch. That's all from me. See you next time and bye bye.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Wan Muhammad Dinish bin Wan Halil. I'm from class DBS 2B. So my ID number is MDB22111013. So I'm here to explain about price elasticity of supply. Price elasticity of supply measure the degree of responsiveness of the quantity supply for a particular goods with respect to a change in the price. More precisely, it is the percentage change in the quantity supply relative to a 1% change in the price, the ceteris paribus. The formula for calculating the coefficient of price elasticity of supply is as follows. So, look at here for question 4. Using the supply analysis, sketch and explain the types of price elasticity of supply for each question. So, look at here, Roman number 1. The question is, when the price of good A is 200 ringgit, the quantity supply is 100 units. When the price increase to 300 ringgit, the quantity supply is unchanged at 100 units. So, let's see the answer. The answer is, suppliers will be the same number of goods or service regardless of the movement of price, even when price increase from 200 to 300. So, look at here, Roman number 2. The question is, when the price of good A increase from 200 ringgit to 300 ringgit, the quantity supply of good A increase from 100 units to 130 units. When the price of good A increase from 200 units to 300 units, the quantity supply increase from 100 units to 180 units. So we can look here, the answer is the percentage change in price. 200 ringgit to increase to 300 ringgit is larger than the percentage change in the quantity supply. 100 units increase to 130 units. So let's see the answer. You should use this formula for calculate price elasticity of supply. For quantity, 180 minus 100 divided by 100 equal to 0.8. So, for price, 200 divided by 300 minus 200 equal 2. Then, the answer for quantity, which is 0.8 times the answer for the price, which is 2. So, we'll get the answer for price elasticity of supply for this graph is 1.6. So, this is end of my part and also the last question. So that's all from me and thank you. Bye.